Unlocking AI in Google Workspace, new features to boost your productivity. Google Workspace has become an essential tool for countless professionals, and now it's stepping up its game with a host of new AI features that promise to transform your daily tasks. This year, Google has rolled out its cutting-edge AI capabilities across all Google Workspace commercial plans, making it easier than ever for users to harness the power of artificial intelligence in their work. With over 2 billion AI assists each month, thanks to the innovative Gemini, it's clear that these tools are making a significant impact. At the recent Google Cloud Next conference, the tech giant unveiled a treasure trove of AI updates for its most popular applications, including Google Docs, Sheets, Meet, and Chat. These enhancements are designed to streamline your workflow and make everyday tasks more efficient. One of the most exciting developments is the introduction of agentic AI capabilities, which allow AI to take on more complex tasks, freeing you up to focus on what really matters. Yulia Kwon Kim, VP of Product at Google Workspace, emphasized the goal of these updates. What we're really focused on is empowering people and teams with AI in the work that they do every single day. It helps them get more things done, make better decisions, and even do things that they weren't able to do before. Google Workspace Flows, your new AI assistant. One of the standout features is Google Workspace Flows, which utilizes GEMS, Google's custom AI agents, to automate specific tasks. Setting up these flows is a breeze. Simply describe what you need in everyday language, and the AI will take care of the rest, no coding required. This feature is currently in alpha testing, but it's already generating buzz for its potential to democratize automation. Kim noted, instead of having to set up all these if-then conditional kind of things, you can use natural language to start setting these up. Whether you need to ensure your text adheres to brand guidelines or tackle more complex tasks like reviewing customer support requests, GEMS can handle it all. Imagine having an AI agent that researches news on a specific topic and compiles insights for you. This is just one example of how these tools can save you time and effort. Transforming Google Docs with AI. Google is also bringing some of the magic of its viral Notebook LM tool to Google Docs. Soon, you'll be able to create audio versions of your documents or even podcasts with engaging hosts, making it easier to consume content on the go. This feature is perfect for those busy commutes or while tackling household chores. Additionally, a new Help Me Refine feature will act like a writing coach, offering suggestions to improve your text rather than just generating sentences. This tool aims to help users become better communicators over time and will be available in alpha later this quarter. AI-powered meetings with Gemini in Google Meet. Ever worried about missing important details in a meeting? With the new Gemini feature in Google Meet, you can simply ask, "What did I miss?" when you join a call, and get a quick summary of the discussion. This integration allows you to catch up seamlessly, unlike standalone chatbots that can't provide real-time updates. You can even ask follow-up questions for clarity and use AI to polish your talking points before you unmute. This feature will be rolling out to users later this quarter, making meetings less stressful and more productive. Analyzing data made easy in Google Sheets. For those who often find themselves sifting through data in Google Sheets, the new Help Me Analyze feature will be a game changer. Acting like an on-demand analyst, it will suggest where to start, highlight trends, and even create interactive charts. This feature is set to launch later this year, making data analysis accessible to everyone, regardless of their skill level. Enhancing conversations in Google Chat. In Google Chat, you'll soon be able to summon Gemini by typing at Gemini's to get assistance with summaries, next steps, and key decisions from conversations you may have missed. This feature will be available in Lab soon, allowing you to stay in the loop without having to read through every message. Creating compelling videos with Veo 2. Lastly, Google is set to launch Veo 2, a powerful video generation tool that will be integrated into vids. This feature will allow users to create high-quality video clips using simple text prompts, streamlining the video production process for businesses. Alpha customers can expect to see this feature in the coming weeks. With these exciting new AI features, Google Workspace is not just keeping up with the times, it's leading the charge in making work more efficient and enjoyable. Whether you're looking to automate tasks, enhance your writing, or analyze data, these tools are designed to help you work smarter, not harder.